Here we have to note something. An order is followed for placing subjects of different persons in a sentence. If we make a sentence, there is a order for first person, second person and third person. What is the order? So first order generally we use like this: second person, third person and first person. Okay, for example, you, she, that is you second person, third person, and I first person, shall. That is the order. In some case of confession, some case of something that you have done and you have to confess, then what you will do, then order is little bit reversed. That is first person, third person, then comes the second person. I, she and you have told a lie. Now let us see other important rules. So first one is the plural noun followed by words expressing quantity like number of, majority of, a lot of. Plural noun comes, okay, after this one. Then we have to use plural verb. A large number of women. You see women, it is plural. Then we have to use the plural verb. Now next rule, the plural noun followed by words expressing mathematical figure like number of. Plural nouns के बाद जब mathematical figures like number of we are using. You see, if number of, after that we are using the number of illiterate people, then we have to use the singular. Now next one, lots of. Then both singular and plural we can use. Examples are given, you can read later. Lots with the infinitive. If we are using infinitive along with that, then we have to use the singular. There is lot to be done on the project. Is, we use the singular. Take care of this one. Then when an indefinite number or quantity is followed by of plus noun, then what we need to do? A good or great deal of, most of, plenty of, a part of, a lot of, a couple of, rest of, a handful of, lots of. Then the verb agreement is like this: singular with a singular noun placed after of. Okay, singular, then we have to use the singular verb. Then if plural, then we have to use the plural. You see, plenty of water is singular, then we have to use is. Verb is singular. You can see a couple of changes, plural, then are required. Okay. Now another thing that we need to take care, use of none. Or use of none. In this case, none means, do you know the meaning of none? Means not any, not one. When it is used with reference to a plural noun. Okay, along with the plural noun when it is used. Therefore, none can have a plural or singular verb along with that. I had several pens, but none. Where we can use where also, was also, no problem. None of. If along with the none of it comes, then a plural noun or pronoun will have a singular or plural verb. Singular or plural verb it will have. Then none of the apples are, also we can use, is also we can use, same way. Then error due to proximity. What do you mean by error due to proximity? Error of proximity we call it. That means the verb is made to agree with the subject which is near to it. That is called error of proximity. So you just see, each of the boys was given a book. Here subject, we all will think boys are subject. No, boys are subject. Each is the subject. So along with that we have to use, here the subject is each and not boys. They have written clearly. So each of the boys was given a book. Verb is was. The price of all the cars has risen. The price, that is the subject, so we have to use has. So I will send the assignment that you can just look and fill in your book, and but you have to learn the rules. Thank you, class.